Nikolina, and I'm coming from the company Odoo suited in Germany. It's a middle-sized company, and I have started as a PHP developer, then OpenERP Odoo developer, and now I am more on the functional part, so I'm doing project management, agile trainings, and such stuff. Today we'll have the presentation Odoo incoming mailing, configuration, and testing. The people who have attended my previous presentation know that a friend of mine told me before 2 months or something that we should not give presentations, but we should tell stories. So today I will tell you a story, and here it comes. So once upon a time, in a galaxy far, far away, or maybe not so far, there was a girl called Freya, and she was developing her Odoo module. Everything was working fine. It was dark in the room. She had enough coffee. Her favorite code environment have finally implemented the dark mode. So everything's perfect, and she was preparing also for her vacation. And she thought, okay, I'm almost ready, so I will do it. So I can make it and go in my vacation free. But then, everything was ready except the testing. So she have introduced some changes in the email incoming and outgoing emails, and she wanted to make sure that everything is working well. But she actually have never done that, so she was not aware how to test it. And have you ever tested incoming and outgoing emails in Odoo? Yeah?
Yeah.
And how did you do that?
You have to log in.
Oh.
Get Odoo module.
But which one?
I forgot already.
Okay, so with the Odoo module. Once again?
Unit tests.
Unit tests?
Yeah.
Okay, also nice. Mailhawk? Yeah. Nice suggestions, yeah. But normally we have also used Mailhawk, but it's more for outgoing emails. And incoming emails, this is something else, yeah? Have someone from you ever tested incoming emails with Odoo? No, you have not. Yeah. Yeah, my colleague just raised his hand. Okay, but yeah, Freya had also some really nice colleagues, and they also, one of them has luckily had this issue before and have developed something that can help her. So the colleague's name was Bob. So Bob told Freya, okay, so check this out. I have also put it online so everyone can use it, but you too. So the solution is called Mail Devil, and it's an in-memory SMTP mail sync combined with IMAP server, which allows testing of incoming and outgoing emails at the same time. It's available as Python package, it's available as a Docker image, and also in GitHub. Bob just helped Freya to set it up. Normally it's also just download the Docker image and run it. You should also set a variable. You should also set up a password. You can do this by the environment variable mail password, or you can do it also from the command line. And you can also check the different other options. I will just check here. Yeah, I can show you. So you have also help here. So you can see the different options. There are also the default configurations. So you can set up different stuff. I will show this in a moment. So let's continue with the presentation now, or with the story, I'm sorry. Okay, so those are again the default or the most important default settings. So the ports and also the user. And then let's see how this looks like. So here we are. I'll just check my display settings. Okay, so we are here in my local Odoo environment. So we first have to set up the incoming and outgoing emails. So the incoming server, the name, it's you can name it whatever you like. Server name is the service name. The port, the username is the one that we saw there, and the password that you have set in your environment variable. And the outgoing email setup also looks similar. So you have authentication with username, no encryption, server, SMTP server. This is the service from the mail devil, and the port, username, and the password that we have set with the environment variable. And here is how the tool GUI look like. So it's pretty simple, but I will also show it now with my example. So first, let's test an outgoing email. You can just, or we can just send an email from a sale order. I think everyone knows this functionality, so it's core. So send it. And we can see the email here. What we have is, of course, the normal from to CC, BCC subject. We can reply from this button. We can also show plain or show source, mark as seen or mark as unseen, and we can also check the attachments. Here the PDF attachment. Yeah, you know how it looks like. But okay. And we can also, as I said, reply to this email. So let's do this now. Here you have also the different options. For example, you can add an advanced view and add different headers. So as you see here, you have everything, but you can add also custom one. And yeah, then you can just send it. What is important is you need to, in order to see this in Odoo afterwards, you need to mark it as unseen, because also the only the unseen emails are fetched back in Odoo. So we mark it as unseen. We go back, and we need to fetch it. So I will go into the incoming mail servers and fetch the emails. So now if we go to our sale, we can see the email here. Okay, so what we can also not only reply to emails, but send emails. It's also pretty simple from here, send mail. Let's just write test. Oh, yeah, we can use also Gmail to test one. Before I send it, I want to go back shortly in Odoo because I would like to show you that my incoming server is configured to create leads and opportunities from incoming emails. So this is done via this configuration here. So if I send the email, I will mark it as unseen again and go back. Maybe I should open another tab so that I have everything. But yeah, fetch emails. And if I go to the CRM module, remove the filter, we can see here the new object. So I have an order request with the email from this side. So one can easily also test this. And the last thing that I would like to show you is that for example, that we can configure also aliases. So I have configured one here. It's again, if I send an email to the info alias, then a lead opportunity will be created, and I would like that this lead will be assigned to the sale team 1. So here, I will shortly go back to the lead from before. So as you see here, there is a no sale team here down. And now I will go to the mail devil. I will create a new email. And I will send it to the alias info. Subject, new lead. So let's send it. Mark it as unseen, of course, important. Go back to the settings. Fetch it, and if you go to the CRM app again, remove the filter, you can see here the new lead, and you can see this time that you have the sales team assigned to it. So this was basically what Bob also showed Freya. So at the end, she was able to test her new module, and she was able to go in her vacation happily. And this was also everything from me. Do you have some questions? Yeah?
You can install it with Docker. Is it also possible to just install it in a virtual environment or something?
I don't see any problem with this. So your question was if it's possible to install it in a virtual environment, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did.
Because it's written in Python, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
We use some app to visualize all the mails, because in Odoo standard visualize all the mails from customer, etc. It's not so easy. If you go to the Senora, okay, but if you want to see all the mails,
If there is an app that is used to visualize the mails,
no specific.
I mean, my question is this related to the
Exactly.
okay, in general.
System, yes,
to visualize the mails? I don't use any app or any particular. Are there other questions? Yeah.
I like your graphics in the beginning. It was super. Then this real devil, you use this in the test environment, isn't it?
You ask if we use Mail Devil in the dev environment?
Test.
Test environment, yeah. Yeah, it's used for testing. So
Yeah.
it's just for testing
And
normally.
you're still using the standard outgoing and incoming mail settings in Odoo?
If you're using the standard incoming and outgoing email settings in Odoo, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So there is nothing
There's no
addition.
additional app or whatever?
No, this is just I have installed only the sales app in order to show it, but it's nothing special. So it's core. It's Odoo core.
Yeah, the other thing I'm always curious about, customers are always happy to use their own email system. And to convince them it can also be used in Odoo, it takes a long time to convince them.
Yeah,
You don't know.
I mean, it's the Mail Devil is only for testing,
Yeah, yeah.
so it's not like something that you can use in a live environment.
Yeah.
It's just a testing tool.
Okay.
Okay, some other questions? No? Then thank you for your attention.